Hola amigos. Welcome to Spanish Boulevard. Ever wondered how to talk about your favorite sports in Spanish? Well, you're in the right place. Today we will be diving into how to say 15 popular sports names in Spanish. Vamos. Up first we have basketball. To say basketball in Spanish you would say baloncesto. Say it with me. Baloncesto. Now let's put it in a sentence. Baloncesto es muy divertido. Which means, basketball is very fun. Up next we have the world's most popular sport, soccer. In Spanish, we say football. Say it with me. Football. Now let's create a simple sentence. Me gusta el fútbol. Which means, I like soccer. Next up is cricket. Which is pronounced as, cricket in Spanish. Let's say it together. Cricket. Now let's use cricket in a sentence. You could say, ¿qué es el cricket? Which means, what is cricket? Now let's move on to a classic, tennis. To say tennis in Spanish, you would say, tenis. Say it with me. Tenis. Now let's put it in a sentence. Quiero jugar tenis. Which means, I want to play tennis. Next up is rugby. To say rugby in Spanish, you would say, rugby. Let's say it together. Rugby. Again, let's create a simple sentence. Rugby es un juego en equipo. Which means, rugby is a team game. Up next we have golf. To say golf in Spanish you would say, golf. Say it with me. Golf. Great. Let's make a sentence now. Mi abuelo juega golf. Which means, my grandfather plays golf. Next up is one of America's favorite pastimes, baseball. Which is called baseball in Spanish. Let's say it together. Baseball. How can we use baseball in a sentence? Easy. We could say, niños juegan béisbol. Which means, kids play baseball. Alright. We are about halfway through our list. Let's keep it going with another American favorite. American football. In Spanish it's called fútbol americano. Try it out. Fútbol americano. Now let's create a simple sentence. Veo a mi hermano jugar al fútbol americano. Which means, I watch my brother play football. Next is ice hockey. In Spanish we say, hockey sobre hielo. Let's say it again. Hockey sobre hielo. Great. Let's make a sentence now. Hockey sobre hielo es rápido. Which means, ice hockey is fast. Keeping it going with athletics, track and field. In Spanish we call it atletismo. Say it with me. Atletismo. Let's again create a sentence. Mi amiga corre en atletismo en la escuela. This means, my friend runs track and field at school. Next up is swimming. In Spanish swimming is called natación. Let's say it together. Natación. Now let's form a sentence. La natación es mi deporte favorito. Which means, swimming is my favorite sport. Up next is volleyball. In Spanish volleyball is pronounced voleibol. Repeat after me. Voleibol. Let's put it in a sentence. Jugamos voleibol en la playa. Which means, we play volleyball on the beach. Only a few more left, let's keep it going with the sport of badminton. In Spanish badminton is called badminton. Repeat after me. Badminton. Let's create a simple sentence. Juego badminton en el jardín. Which means I play badminton in the garden. Moving on to a fan favorite, boxing. In Spanish you would say boxeo. Say it with me. Boxeo. Now for a sentence. Boxeo es fuerte. Which means boxing is strong. Last but not least on our list is gymnastics. In Spanish, gymnastics is called gimnasia. Let's say it together. Gimnasia. Now for a sentence. La gimnasia es un deporte difícil. This means gymnastics is a difficult sport. That's a wrap. Here is a quick recap of the 15 sports we covered in today's lesson. Thank you for joining us. We hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Be sure to subscribe for more fun language lessons. Hasta luego. See you soon.